Hello, hi guys, good morning. So, firstly, we'll see starting off with Amazon top interview questions. We have Leetcode Premium, but yeah, in this we can filter out with months, years, and 2 years. 6 months, if you will filter out, you will see that the frequency of asked questions it just reduces very frequently. So I just took optimally as 1 year and then choose the frequency of the top 50 questions of asked in Amazon. Although right now I'm gonna show you top 2 years, like for 2 years, top frequently asked question for Amazon, which I will show you like in the list wise, but for 1 year frequently asked question, we will see all 50 questions one by one. Cool. Starting off with the 2 years, the complete list of question is with you. You can just pause the video and also see it. So with this, we'll actually go on and see all questions, top questions which are asked in Amazon interview, right? It just goes on, goes on, and I'll just go on up till the point where actually it is just half, right? Which means the frequency is at least half or nearly about the half, so that it actually matters for this question. Else you will keep on doing all the problems. Cool. As you will see that the frequency starts to reduce from half. So now let's quickly jump back to the top 50 questions asked in last 1 year and see that is the, although I could have also opted for the last 6 months, but that won't help as such, right? Quickly jumping on, first one is the sum total strength of wizards. Now the premium one I will show you entirely, but the normal ones I'll just show you the name and that's it. The premium one, so like for some the company name is not visible. I don't know, it's some a glitch or something, but yeah, for sure the solution also you would need to actually know that if it is actually working or not. Now it's just for you to actually get help from this. Cool. Now quickly jump on to the question number. Substring with largest variance, hard, analyzed analyze with user website visit pattern. Again, firstly the problem itself, as you will see that earlier it was not visible, now it's visible, like it's a some glitch. The question itself, you will see that it is here for you guys, and see that's specifically for just the educational purposes, and no other reasons at all for any of the problems mentioned here, right? It's just something that if we don't, that for students itself, it's primarily for the students, for the college and the interns, and that's it. So yeah, that is the solution for this problem. Although that won't be required. See, I will not recommend to go and do every question. It's just that it can help you in worst case. So yeah, that is this particular question. And for sure, see, again I'm saying that it's not required for you to go on to every question and do everything for every question. You can just do the free question as well, and that would be more than sufficient. But still, for worst cases we can just utilize this, and that would be pretty much it. Cool. Reorder data in long files, minimum number of key presses. For sure you will just see the question itself. That is this question. And see, I'll quickly jump on to everything of this, right? That's the reason I'm just specifically mentioning that if someone has explanation, someone has some intuition, and that would be pretty much it. Now going on to number of faces, select buildings, pretty easy, pretty standard. Plates between two candles, minimum number of swaps to make the binary string alternating, maximum number of robots within budget, concatenated words, find the kth smallest pair distance, find the kth sum of an array, minimum number of moves to make a palindrome, find triangular sum of an array, make array 0 by subtracting equal amounts, number of islands. That's a very standard and very good question. We have also covered in the bar graph series. Minimum number of adjacent swaps to make a valid array. For sure, if you go through the question itself, it's just example 2, and the constraints. Solution pretty much very easy. Look like easy one. We just find the swaps, and let's see something different. It's just a simple greedy problem. It seems like that's pretty much it. Quickly go to the sequentially ordinal rank tracker. I have not seen this question, but yeah, seems great. Design an expression tree with evaluative functions. Problem itself is kind of a tree question. Seems good. Constraints are pretty less. For sure, something kind of recursion or something else. Yeah, you'll see that polymorphism, intended factory method, kind of a recursion is being applied. No worries, we'll just quickly scroll through what is happening here. Oh, damn. He has written such, oh, like he has defined everything out for this. Great. And this is the code down below. Again, for reference, that's pretty much it. Let's quickly jump over Java code. That would be much helpful for a wider audience, because Java and C++ are more or less same. So that would be much helpful for us. Cool. Jumping on to race car. Then we have integer to English words. Then we have meeting rooms too. Again, a very standard question. Seems like a normal O of n or O of n log n would work for this. But okay, why is this? That always comes when I just scroll through. But yeah, no worries, just have it done here on the left side. It's just some glitch from the Leetcode side, but no worries on that part. We have these meeting rooms. Again, just a sliding window or maybe something kind of that. Not a sliding window, I could see that it's a heap sorting. But yeah, it's just a meeting rooms. Maybe the question is not right. I'm just showing with you. Binary trees with factors. You will see that for some questions, the tags are visible, but for some they are not. There's some glitch. If I reload it, maybe it will come, maybe it will not. That again happens for this problem. So no worries on that part. Again, it did not come. But if I just go on to solutions and then back, maybe it will come. So not, no worries. But yeah, for sure, you know that it's of Amazon, because I'm just going company wise, and then I will, for every problem, let's say for it's of DP or something like that, then I'll quickly go on to, okay, the top questions asked in that particular DP, as all that stuff. Search suggestion system, design in memory file system, that we have to just design a system that it just goes on and have the constraints down below. Solution would be pretty much on the basis of how we read and write files. So that's a Python solution. If we have Java solution, that would be great also. So that's a Java solution for this one. And yep, that is this. Going on to trapping a model, very standard problem. Twosome, I know, find good days to raw boundary of a binary tree. Going on in this itself is just the problem, simple of trees, and that's pretty much it. Constraints are also pretty low. Solution seems good. We have Java solutions. That would be pretty much it for all C++, Java, and Python people, because Java is very standard, right? And that's pretty much it on the comments and the solution. Designed to tic-tac-toe, it's very standard, although it's premium now, but you can just find it anywhere else also. So it is just how it is designed. And yep, constraints pretty less. We can just have a design method, and that's pretty much it for this. And see, these are the top 50 questions. That's the reason I just choose 50 on the basis of what I just went on, that okay, the frequency should be at least 50 or more, or near about 50, and that would be pretty much it, right? So that's a simple design problem. You can simply have it done. A few comments. Actually, the comment is pretty much upvoted, so for sure it will be much helpful. And yeah, going on, maximum performance of a team. Again, a standard problem. T-Shaw Google asked it should be a good problem. Minimum rounds to complete all tasks, Roman to integer, merge key sorted arrays, reorganize strings, LRU cache, create close post origin, standard problem. Build binary expressions. If you see the problem itself, then it's pretty easy and looks trivial. And question example 3, constraints are pretty low for sure. Some kind of recursion is being applied, yeah, for sure. If we just go on and have a look, it's a Python solution, but that would be it as well. If we have some other, okay, we have again a Java solution, great. So we will have this done, right? And oh, there are a few multiple variations of this problem which we have seen here, so great on that part also. And modify shorter code. Cool, let's have a look. It seems good. Oh yeah, it's actually pretty good. Cool. So that would be much helpful if we are doing this problem. Design parking system, very standard. Minimum average difference, sliding window maximum, code schedule, letter combination of a phone number, word break 2, find a medium from the data streams, first and last call on the same day. Again, some SQL schema is being made here, and you will see that tables are being made and the constraints are also pretty less. If you look at solution, oh, that's a kind of a different problem. Union plus rank plus having. That's actually a design problem, right? And that's a SQL, MySQL problem. So not sure that why it is written, but yeah, that is, if it is asked, then for sure we can actually try it and doing it by ourselves, because that's a different, not a DSA problem, but yeah, that can be asked. Minimum difficulty to for a job schedule. And for sure, in the last, we saw that the first problem which we looked at frequency wise, and so it was first year. So the first problem was minimum health to beat the game. In this, we could not see the entire problem. So let's quickly see the entire problem itself. So we just look at the problem itself entirely, and that would be this problem. Right, and if you go to solutions, we will have it in this. I guess we have seen this problem itself, but no worries, we are just looking at it again. So yeah, that's all for all the Amazon questions, top 50 most frequently asked questions. For the for last 2 years also, I've shown you exactly, and for the last 6 months, if you want to have a look, you can quickly have a look at it. But yeah, I will highly recommend, because you will see that frequency has reduced by more than 50%. So I'll not recommend to actually look at the last 6 months. I'll try to suggest to have last look at the 1 year. So that was it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.